for sum question 18. This is similar to our question 15 or so, where we did three sum, and which is also similar. This is like the successor of two sum, three sum. Now we have four sum. So if you know how to solve for three sum, this is just another extra layer that you know is not going to cost us much to understand. So this is similar to the three sum we did, but now we are giving targets. The previous one was 0, it was a fixed target, but now we are giving the target. Now this one is 0, this one is 8, so instead of using 0, so now we are just going to write almost the same code as the three sum. So if you want to understand how this code works better, you can go back to our previous video, I think video 15 or so, to learn more about the three sum. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is to sort the array. Let me change this thing to array. I love to change it to array. To sort the array, if you know how we sort the array, this thing is like the normal thing we do now. Now that we sort this array, we have our output, which is an object to avoid duplicate, and then we start running for loops equals 0 I less than array dot length minus the initial one we're using -2 because we were looking for 3 elements. Now we'll be doing -3 because we are looking for 4 elements. So it's called I does what? I plus plus. So from there we do another for loop, which is going to be j equals I plus 1, j less than array dot length -2, j does what? J plus plus. So from there we can now do our right and left pointer. Left pointer equals j plus 1, and our right pointer, which is going to be l plus no, it's going to be array dot length -1, which is going to be the last value. So we're going to be doing while lp, so we're going to be doing like while lp is less than rp. So we're going to do let sum, going to do the sum array of I plus array of j. This is similar to our three sum, so the code is still in my head anyway. So we can do array of left pointer, array of right pointer. Then we say if this sum is equals our target. We already have a target, so we do what we say our output of these guys I comma j comma a lp comma. So this is why we are going to, this is what we are doing to avoid duplicate, because we can just say true because we are not going to use it. So we are going to increment our loop, our left pointer, and decrement our right pointer. So else if this sum is greater than our target, what are we going to do? So we are going to decrement our right pointer. We're going to decrement our right pointer, and else we're just going to, because it's less than our target now, we're just going to increment our left pointer. So I think with this now we are done with our loop. So like what we did before, because our output is an object, instead of just returning an object directly, we convert it to an array. So we just say output dot what are we doing? If we do it this way, it's going to give us an array of joined elements. So that's not what we want. We want to do map individual element of the array. I will do element dot split like what we did before. Then when we split it, we want to map it again. I will do individual elements or individual nums, because it's going to give us string, not nums, but we need nums. So it's going to be number of string. So it's going to convert our string to number. So with this, let's run our code and see if it is going to pass. Okay, great. This one is passing. Let's pass this one. Let's see. So so this one is also passing. I can't think of any weird edge case for now, because this is just like successor of threesome. We've properly implemented the threesome. Now this foursome should work as expected. So let's submit and see if we pass all edge cases. Great. This is worst. This speed, almost 2 seconds and faster than 9.4. Wow. So there are better ways to solve this thing, and hopefully I can get to look into it. But without killing ourselves, this thing is working. Hope you enjoy it and you learn one or two things. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.